So yesterday I was given one problem to you, and I think you are all recorded it in your notebook, written it in your notebook. So this problem is Messrs A and B as partners decided to amalgamate with Messrs C and Company. So A and B partners, they are going to amalgamate with the Messrs C and Company having C and D partners on the following terms and conditions. So which the partnership firm is going to be amalgamate? The partners are two, and accordingly the new firm is to be working there. So anybody is having his mic open, please mute it. So first of all, we are reading the first paragraph. Number one is the new firm Messrs AC and Company to consider goodwill of both the firms at rupees 12,000 each. So both the firms, that is A and Company and C and Company, that goodwill is to be taken 12,000 rupees per partnership firm. Then second is the new firm to take over investment at 10% depreciation. So whatever may be the amount of investment that is to be taken at 10% by reduced value. So while calculating the amount of purchase consideration, we can take into consideration that particular matter. Then debtors and furniture at book value. So both the partnership firm debtors and furnitures are to be taken as it is in the balance sheet value. Then premises at rupees 53,000. The value of premises given in the balance sheet, and it is revalued. That revalued amount of rupees 53,000 we can consider. The land at rupees 66,800, machinery at rupees 9,000, and such cash which remained after discharge of partners loan. So amount of cash is to be taken after discharging the loans of the partners, which is shown on the liability side, loan of A and loan of C. So we can consider it while calculation of TC. Then remain after discharge the partners loan by respective old firms before amalgamation. And third adjustment is the new firm also assumed other liabilities of old firms. So whatever may be the liabilities of old firms are there, that are to be taken over by the new firm. So first of all, we can calculate the amount of PC, give the heading, calculation of purchase consideration, into bracket net asset method, Now statement of PC, 3 columns are to be there. Particulars, then A and Company rupees, 2 columns of amounts are there. A and Company rupees, and C and Company rupees. So in the particulars, give the heading assets taken over. Now for the asset taken over, keep 8 to 9 lines blank. 8 to 9 lines blank. Then next heading, less liabilities taken over. Less liabilities taken over. For this, 3-4 lines are required. 3-4 lines are required. So now one by one we can record the revised value of the assets. So in the asset taken over, first adjustment is the new for Messrs Asian Company to consider goodwill of both the firms at rupees 12,000 each. So take first asset taken over, underline, and then next line, goodwill. Both the columns 12,000, A and Company and C and Company 12,000. So this is the first adjustment. Now second, the new firm to take over investment at 10% depreciation. Write the second asset after goodwill, investment. Now the investment of both the firms are shown 10,000 and 8,000. So we are not taken it at 10,000 or 8,000. The depreciation of 10% is to be deducted. So investment of A and Company, 10,000 minus 1,000, 10% depreciation is 1,000. So A and C Company write 9,000, amount 9,000, and C and Company total investment is 8,000 and the depreciation is 800, 10% comes 800. So 7,200, C and Company amount column 7,200. Then debtors and furnitures at book values. Debtors and furnitures are taken as. So write another asset, debtors, A and C column 9,000, A and Company 9,000, and C and Company column 4,000. Both they are taken at book values. Then furniture also at book value. Furniture, next asset after debtors, furniture. A and Company 12,000 and C and Company 6,000. Balance sheet value we are taken 12,000 and 6,000. Now regarding the premises at rupees 53,000. Now premises is of only A and Company. So next asset after furniture write premises, amount A and Company 53,000. 53,000 revised value, and another company column dash, C and Company column dash. Then land at rupees 66,800. The land is given of C and Company. So next asset, land, A and Company dash, A and Company column dash, C and Company 66,800. 66,800. Then machinery at rupees 9,000. So machinery given in the balance sheet of A and Company 15,000, but we are taken it at rupees 9,000. So next asset, Machinery. Next asset, machinery. Only A and company, column 9,000, and another column dash. There is no machinery of C and company. Then goodwill we are already taken 12,000, 12,000. So don't take again it A and company's goodwill. So it is revised by rupees 12,000, 12,000. We are taken it at first. Asset taken over, goodwill is taken 12,000 and 12,000. Then and such cash which remained after discharge of partner's loan. Now cash balance first, liability asset side first point is given cash. So it is mentioned that cash which remained after discharge of partner's loan. Now partner's loan are shown on the liability side. Partner's loan, that is A's loan is 10,000, sorry 8,000, and C's loan is 10,000. Now whatever may be the cash balance given, write another asset taken over मध्ये cash into bracket एकाच 15,000 आहे आणि त्याचे 8,000 वजा करायचे. 7,000 A and company, don't write in any amount in bracket. So 15,000 cash balance is given. We are deducting loan amount of rupees 8,000. So 15,000 minus 8,000 means 7,000. Then C and company cash balance is given 12,000 and the C's loan is given 10,000. So 12,000 minus 10,000 is equal to 2,000. C and company cash, right, amount 2,000. So we are deducting the amount of loan from cash. Both the company is A and company and C and company. So these are the all assets. Now make the total of A and company. All the assets total A and company and C and company. Asset taken over total. You are having the amounts with you. Goodwill, investment, debtors, furniture, premises, land, building, then cash. So what is the amount of A and company?
1,11,000.
10 lakhs?
1,11,000.
1,11,000.
Yes.
What is C and company?
98,000.
98,000.
8,000. Yes.
So others may confirm it whether it is correct or not. Others are doing the total?
Yes.
Okay. Then less liabilities. Now in the liability, it is mentioned that the new firm also assumed other liabilities of old firms. Whatever may be the liabilities are there that are to be taken over by the firm. So liabilities are shown on balance sheet liability side. Next line, less liabilities, underline and write there. Creditors. A and company 20,000. A and company column 20,000. And C and company 10,000. C and company 10,000. Next, liability is given bills payable. only A and company 5,000 and another dash, C and company dash. Now first column A and C company liabilities are 25,000. So deduct it from the net asset taken over. Asset taken over amount and liabilities amount. Deduct the 25,000 from the total of assets. A and C company.
86,000.
Huh?
86,000.
86,000. And another C and company
88,000.
88,000.
Yes.
So this is the amount of PC. Show the arrow and write in the particulars amount of PC. Amount of PC 86,000 and 88,000. And 88,000. So you are understood it how the PC is to be calculated. The amount of asset is to be taken as per the adjustments. What the adjustment says, what the information is given, and accordingly we are taking the value of assets revised or book value. And then liabilities, both liabilities are having only book value, so these are to be deducted. So this is the calculation of purchase consideration 86,000 and 88,000 of both the firms. Next line. Now you are asked to prepare the following ledger accounts in each case. One is realization account, partners capital accounts, and new firm account, and also prepare a balance sheet of the new firm. So we are now going to prepare the ledger accounts. Give the heading. In the books of A and company and C and company, both are old firms. In the books of A and company and C and company, first account is realization account. Realization account. Debit side, credit side, give the left hand side debit, right hand side credit. Now two columns of amounts are there. First column is particulars. Amount column first A and company rupees, and second column C and company rupees. Same columns are there on credit side. Particulars A and company rupees, C and company rupees. Now for the realization account, keep 15 to 16 lines blank. 15 to 16 lines blank. So combined account we are preparing. Then next account is new company account, that is a partner. What is the new partnership firm's name? A and C company is the name given. So A and C company account, A and C company account, debit, credit, and amounts column 2, particulars A and C company rupees, C and company rupees. So credit side also same columns particulars A and company rupees, C and company rupees. Now for this account, keep 3-4 lines blank, 3 to 4 lines blank. Then prepare partners capital accounts, partners capital accounts, partners capital accounts, combined partners capital account. So 4 columns of amounts are there on debit as well as credit side. So it is a combined account, partners capital account, debit. Particulars, the name of the partners are given in the balance sheet liability side. 4 partners are there, A rupees, B rupees, C rupees and D rupees. Amount columns are 4 on debit side, A rupees, B rupees, C rupees and D rupees. Same on the credit side, particulars, then amount 4 columns, A rupees, B rupees, C rupees and D rupees. So partners capital account, keep 5 to 6 lines blank, 5 to 6 lines blank. And after that, balance sheet is asked in the books of new firm. So give the heading in the books of AC and company, in the books of AC and company, into bracket new firm, into bracket new firm, balance sheet as on dash dash dash. Here is not given, so balance sheet as on dash dash dash. Make the 2 parts of the page for the balance sheet. Left hand side liabilities and another column amount, liabilities amount. Right hand side assets and amount, assets and amount. So now one by one we are going to step by step. Now steps, I think you are well reminder, that is kept in mind. Every solution of the problem, the steps are same. So first of all, what is the first step? Anybody? In the
Transfer
ledger,
sundry assets to realization account.
transferring sundry assets to realization account at book value.
Yes.
Book value is important, not revised value. So realization account debit side to sundry assets, right on the debit side, to sundry assets, underline, as per the balance sheet we are taken these sundry assets. So first is cash, sundry assets underline, then write next line cash, 15,000 and 12,000. The book values are to be taken. 15,000 and 12,000. Next, investment. Investment. $10,000, 8,000. 10,000, 8,000. Then debtors. Debtors. What is the value of debtors? 9,000 and 4,000. 9,000 and 4,000. Next, furniture. Furniture. 12,000 and 6,000. 12,000 and 6,000. Premises. Only A and C column. 30,000. Next column dash. Next column dash. Then land. Land. First column dash. Second column 50,000. Then machinery. Machinery. First column 15,000. 15,000. And another column dash. Then goodwill. Goodwill. 9,000 first column, second column dash. Second column dash. So sundry assets we are transferred to realization account at book value. Now on the credit side of realization account, second step, liability transferred to realization. Realization account credit side by sundry liabilities. Sundry liabilities. Underline. Into that, creditors. Next line, creditors. 20,000 and 10,000. 20,000 and 10,000. Then bills payable. Bills payable. Only first column 5,000, second column dash. First column 5,000, second column dash. Then loans we are taken at liability. Loans. A column, A and C company column 8,000, second column dash. And then C, loan of C, first column dash, second column 10,000. So this is the second step, transferring the liabilities to realization account. Now the third step, recording of PC to realization account. PC is to be recorded on realization account. So realization account credit side by AC and company. Name of the new firm is AC and company. Into bracket PC. Into bracket PC. So A and C company's PC is 86,000 and C and company's PC is 88,000. Now record the capital accounts balances. Liability side capital account balances are given. So partners capital account credit side, by balance brought down, A's column 35,000, B's column 22,000, C's column 36,000, and D's column 20,000. All the balances are given in the liability side balance sheet. 35,000, 22,000, 36,000, and 20,000. Now see, on the balance sheet liability side, reserves are there. So reserves of rupees A and C company given 10,000 and C and company given 4,000. So these reserves are recorded to partners capital account. By reserves, partners capital account credit side by reserves. Now A and C companies 10,000 is given. Now all the partners are equal partners. So 10,000 is to be divided between A and B. 5,000, 5,000. A and B column 5,000, 5,000. And another partnership C and company 4,000. So C and D 2,000, 2,000. By reserves 2,000, 2,000. So 5,000 A, 5,000 B, 2,000 C, and 2,000 D. So reserves are to be recorded. Now A and company, AC and company न्यू फर्मच्या डेबिटला आपल्याला त्यांच्या रकमा घ्यायच्या आहेत. ईसी रेकॉर्ड केल्याचं राहिलेलं आहे तिथं. AC and company न्यू फर्म अकाउंटच्या डेबिटला टू रिलायझेशन अकाउंट into bracket PC A and company ला 86,000 and C and company column 88,000. So everything we are recorded. Now make the total of realization account credit side. Total of realization account credit side. प्रत्येकाची या कॉलमची वेगवेगळी टोटल करा. A and C कंपनी आणि C and company. What is the total of A and company column? A and company column total credit side realization account. What is the total? Drushti Patil?
One lakh 19,000 A and company.
A and company 1,19,000.
Yes.
And C and company
1,02,000.
1,02,000.
सर चेक करायला सांगा. माझा जरा
तुझं काय झालं? लगेच चुकायला सुरुवात केली का?
नाही सर, जरा मध्ये प्रॉब्लेम झालता, नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम झालता, तर नीट ऐकायला नव्हतं येत ना म्हणून.
बरं बघा रे, दुसरं कोणीतरी सी अँड कंपनीची टोटल क्रेडिटची. $1,08,000 आले का? $1,08,000. ओके, डिफरन्स काढा. डेबिटला त्याच रकमा लिहायच्या. ए अँड कंपनी 1,19,000. सी अँड कंपनीला डेबिटला 1,08,000. What is the difference? A and company debit amount difference. Debit column amount difference. दुसऱ्याचं पण कोणीतरी काढायला घ्या. सी अँड कंपनीचा डिफरन्स एकाने कोणीतरी ए अँड सी चा काढा.
सर दोघांचा 28,000 येतं.
28,000.
हो सर.
ओके, 28,000 येत असेल तर इथं नाव द्या. टू पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. टू पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट्स. आता पार्टनर इक्वल आहेत, इक्वल पार्टनर्स आहेत. ए बी ला 14,14 जातील, सी डी ला 14,14 जातील. फक्त तिथं डिफरन्स ला 28,000. पण वाटप करताना आपण हे पार्टनरच्या क्रेडिट साइड ला लिहिणार आहोत. पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. कुणाचा माईक चालू आहे? माईक बंद करा. कुणाचा कटकट आवाज येतोय? तुम्हाला पण आवाज येत असतील ना, कोण चालू ठेवतंय ते? पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट बाय रियलायझेशन अकाउंट. बाय रियलायझेशन अकाउंट into bracket profit. into bracket profit. चौघाला 14,000 रुपये लिहून टाका. 14,000 A, 14,000 B, 14,000 C and 14,000 D. The partners capital account क्लोज करा. पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्लोज. क्रेडिट साइड टोटल ऑफ पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंट. एक मिनिट, जरा थोडं पार्टनरचं करण्या अगोदर नवीन फर्मचा अकाउंट क्लोज करा. नवीन फर्मचा अकाउंट डेबिटला 86,000 आहेत. डेबिट ए अँड कंपनीला 86,000, सी अँड कंपनीला 88,000. क्रेडिटला लिहा credit by A's capital, by B's capital, by C's capital, and by D's capital. आता 86,000 वाटायचे आहेत. अकाउंट क्लोज करा, रिलायन्स न्यू फर्म अकाउंट. दोघांमध्ये समान वाटायचे 86,000च्या निम्मे ए आणि बी ला,
43,000.
43,000 आणि 88,000च्या निम्मे निम्मे 44,000. 44,000. आता पुढे पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल अकाउंटच्या डेबिटला टू एसी अँड कंपनी अकाउंट, ए आणि बी ला 43, सी आणि डी ला 44. आता अकाउंट क्लोज करा. पार्टनर्स कॅपिटल, ए बी सी डी, किती आली रक्कम क्रेडिटला? मला टीवायचा पिरियड आहे, लवकर हे करा. एफवायचा पिरियड आहे मला लगेच. बेरजा करायला काय वेळ लावतात काय कळत नाही. ए ची टोटल एवढी, बी ची टोटल एवढी, सी ची टोटल एवढी, डी ची टोटल एवढी. 2 3 रकमांच्या टोटल्स असतात फक्त. उगाच आपले गप्प बसत ऐकून घ्यायचं नसतं.
54,000 आली.
कुणाची? ए ची. बी ची किती आली?
बी ची 41.
सी ची
52
आणि डी ची
36.
त्याला म्हणा टू बॅलन्स. कुणीतल्या बाजूची जास्त येते, काय येते?
सर ए ची जास्त आहे, बी ची कमी आहे, सी ची जास्त आहे आणि डी ची कमी आहे.
मग आता कुठे कुठे कमी येत आहे, कुठे कुठे जास्त येत आहे, तेवढा फरक काढा.
ओके.
नऊ 20 ला मला एफवायचा पिरियड आहे, पटकन आवरा. अजून बॅलन्स शीटला आपल्याला बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी करायच्या आहेत, तेव्हा नंतर करू आपण. आता मी बॅलन्स शीट घेणार नाही, फक्त इथलं अकाउंट तरी कॅपिटल अकाउंट क्लिअर करा. ओके, घरी करा. मला मुलं वाट बघतील माझी. घरी करा, नंतर उद्या सांगा. उद्या आपला पिरियड असेल.